Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I made this bracelet. The items that you will need to recreate this bracelet are jumping hoops, crimping beads, a little chain, of course some seed beads, and some jewelry wire. I use stretchy nylon wire of 0.6 mm thick. And lastly, some crafting scissors. We start by cutting off some thread and placing the jumping hoop right in the middle. Make a little knot to secure the jumping hoop. And pull it nice and tight. Now we are going to do this one more time with another thread and keep only one side long. Next we are going to grab a crimping bead and put all the 3 wires that we are going to use for the braid through the crimping bead. This can be a little hard, but you should be able to get it in there. Pull the bead all the way to the end, so it looks like this. Now you should have 3 threads coming out of the crimping bead that is attached to the jumping hoop. Now we are going to add beads to the threads, just like this, really simple. I will speed up the process. Moving on to the second color. And the third color. I choose to go for a dark blue, light blue and a beige color. When we are done with this, I grab some washi tape to secure the bracelet to the table. This makes braiding a lot easier. And now, just like a regular braid, you go over, under, over, under. I make it nice and tight, but also not too tight. And voila! When we are at the end, I make a knot to secure the braid, attach a crimping bead, then with another knot we attach the little chain to it, and then we can cut off the excess wire. If you want, you can add some glue or even nail polish to the knot to secure the knots. And that's it. A cute little bracelet. Like, comment and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. I will see you next time.